Did you know a simple plastic bottle can become a makeshift water filter in a survival situation? Picture this. You cut off the bottom, stuff it with layers of cotton, sand, and charcoal. Suddenly, you have a DIY purifier that can remove dirt, debris, and harmful bacteria from any water source. Now consider the humble trash bag. In an emergency, this unassuming item morphs into a waterproof poncho, a protector for your belongings, or even a makeshift tourniquet. Talk about flexibility! Now, imagine the endless possibilities of a standard paperclip. With a simple bend, it transforms into your go-to tool for unlocking doors when you accidentally lock yourself out. Suddenly, the need for a locksmith vanishes. Ever thought about a jar opener being a lifesaver? By simply wrapping a rubber jar opener around a stubborn lid, it becomes a firm grip that opens bottles, jars, or even stubborn knots with ease. No more struggling or injuries. Lastly, consider the versatile dental floss. Besides keeping your pearly whites clean, it can double as an emergency clothesline, fishing line, or even be a great way to secure a loose button. Talk about versatility! So there you have it, folks. Everyday items transforming into incredible life-saving hacks. So the next time you find yourself in a tight spot, remember to think outside the box and see the potential in the simplest things around you. Thank you for joining this ingenious adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more genius ideas. Until next time, stay creative and keep on hacking.